In this video, I'll show you how to install the Telly application to your Hisense Smart TV. This is very easy. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you have an Hisense Smart TV, this is what to do to install this application. First thing, go over to your App Store, which should be the same just like mine because Hisense has its own App Store. Now on the App Store, what you have to do, go over here and type in new application, which in this case is Telly. So just click search and type the name application, which is Telly. So as you type in that, you can go ahead and search. And here's the application. Just click on it once, okay. And it's going to bring you to the installation page, which you just click install, and then you can place the application where you want it to be, and then you're good to go. That's the application, and we've installed to our Hisense Smart TV. So if you found the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this.